Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play diamonds and rust on guitar. We'll start by getting your instrument in standard tuning, which is crucial for capturing the song's original feel. Then, we'll dive into the fundamental open chords, G, C, D, and M. These four chords are the backbone of the entire piece. Practice transitioning between them smoothly to build a solid foundation for the rest of the song. Now let's tackle the iconic fingerpicking pattern. Your thumb will handle the alternating bass notes, typically on the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. Meanwhile, your index, middle, and ring fingers will pluck the higher strings, creating the melodic texture. Start practicing this pattern at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing speed as your muscle memory develops for precision. Understanding the song's structure is key. Identify the distinct verse, chorus, and bridge sections, as each has its own feel. Pay close attention to the dynamic shifts. Some parts are soft and reflective, while others build in intensity. You can also add melodic embellishments like subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs, especially in the intro and verse, to truly capture the song's expressive quality. For effective practice, always use a metronome to keep your timing precise and consistent. If you encounter a difficult section, break it down into smaller, more manageable segments and practice them individually. Finally, listen to the original recording by Joan Baez repeatedly. Pay attention to her phrasing, dynamics, and overall feel to truly internalize the song and deliver a heartfelt performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.